There's hyperspace. Here it is. Wait, what is this? No. TP. Alright. I'm about to get the silencer guns right now. Hopefully, if they even have some. I know they have silencer guns in this game. They have to. But I just need to know how to get them.
Back channel info says P8 has a bunker.
A bunker? But there's no location.
Lenny has a RFID implant. Can we find the bunker with that?
Yeah, it's possible.
Sweet. Time to go see Lenny. No more fucking around. Wrench, you're my backup.
Yes, I am.
Oh yeah, the mystery box. Or the 3D printer, whatever, same thing. Wait, what? That's all they have? Are you kidding me? Oh, here we go. How do you get a silencer, though? Can I even afford these? I think I can, but... Oh, what? They don't have silencer in this game? Wait, what? You know I have 2 weapon slots too? I didn't know that. Oh, I even... The stun launcher... End sniper... Your voice... Why are these all rifles? I need to find a place with the friggin' silencers. Okay, look, we need to find some gun shops. What's this? A pawn shop? No. A gun shop. Filters? The pawn shops, but... The pawn shops don't sell guns and stuff. Wow. Closing. How do you get silencers on a gun then? How? Maybe I should just... I don't get the point. Restaurants. Maybe I should just teleport it to the pawn shop? Alright, fine. Teleport it to the pawn shop. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, fine. I know you can have... Because why wouldn't you have... forget it. I don't know. Maybe you can't have silencers in the game. Because back in Watch Dogs, I used the silencer pistol so much. That and the AK-47. I need it. Okay. Yo, dude.
Hey there.
See, they don't sell all valuables. Use me 24. Forget, I'll do it. I don't know what that.
For something in particular?
Oh, those are stuff you find in like the glove compartments and stuff. That's cool.
No worries.
But see, my thing is. I might just look it up. I'm about to look it up for real. Alright, forget I'm looking it up. I don't care. Alright, Chrome. Watch Dogs 2 silencers. There are 4 silenced weapons. No, not Watch Dogs. Watch Dogs 2. What the heck? Can you not have silencers in this game? Do silencers not exist? What the heck's... How do... I'm not continuing the game without a silenced gun. This is Watch Dogs 1. I put Watch Dogs 2. Oh my god. I'm so done. So, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. I'm just trying to get a silenced weapon. Special weapons? This is Watch Dogs 1. The game's been out for like almost 2-3 weeks. Oh my god, I can't with the internet. Quality content. Quality content. Quality content. No, forget it. Forget it. So mad. Well, let's do this go-kart mission right over here. What is this? Bayview Rise? I don't give a... This one. Yeah, of course. I can't just... Oh my god. I have to... Oh, no, no. I should go to a car dealership. I need some new cars anyway. Or they're just gonna sell like driving clothes. I hope it sells cars I can use in the order app. Palo Alto. Can I just take this?
No!
Oh wow. Okay.
Think I'm playing games here? I'll play games. Winter is coming, motherfucker.
What, you trying to fight?
You massive, massive failure.
Where is it?
Whoa, strange. Frankenstein.
It's so nice, I did it twice.
You're really taking me off.
You know, fine. I'm not gonna fight because I don't want the police on me. That's the only reason.
Came out just to shine, so everybody can ask.
Yo, what's good, dude?
What can I get you?
I'm trying to get me a
Take you
sports
down.
car.
I've floored punks twice your size. I don't care who you are.
Shut up. It's full. Do you have any
What can I
premium
do to
cars?
help?
Yeah, I don't. Here, and get this thing too. Why not?
All right then.
Hey. That's cool. So is it, so it's like unlocked forever in a car thing? I hope it is. That's a lot of money. Okay, no, here we go. Wait, is there anything else I can do here? What the? Watch out, I didn't... No. Oh my god.
Suspect's appearance was noted. Stay on the line to receive.
So tired of this. I can't believe this. Don't detect, they detected me.
He's gotta be here. Doing another sweep. Over.
No way. No way. No way. You're kidding me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now entering San Francisco.
Stop your vehicle!
Driving all over the place. We need to take him out.
Trees.
This is the police!
Yes,
Pull
the
over
police.
now!
Pull over now.
Suspect has gone off the road. Do whatever it takes to stop him.
Running from the cops. Ha ha hops. Oh. Yep. That's 10 minutes of the video wasted. Anyways. Let's go. Take this. Right into that tree. Let's start this e-kart racing, whatever it's called. Fury track. Let's go. Nice go.
I give up. I'm just going to give up.
What's wrong?
I'm a student at Oakland Advanced Tech. We entered Noodle's e-cart challenge, and we just keep losing. We can't seem to beat the fancy schools, especially Stanford. They're backed by big companies with all kinds of tech. We're just Oakland. It's hopeless.
Hey, Oakland's got energy and grit. Oakland can get it done, man. I'm from Oakland.
I like the way you think. You want to be our driver?
You kidding?
Somebody has to.
Count me in. My name's Marcus.
Good to meet you, Marcus. I'm Taylor. Good luck on the first race.
Oh, don't trip. I got y'all. I'm finna beat everybody, including Stanford. Y'all don't need a trip. I don't know what to do until with some... I don't know what you've been talking about some e-cards, but I think I got this. E-cards. Mario Kart. If it's Mario Kart, I got it. You look kinda cool, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, can I hack it? Can I like hack in the race? Or is it cheating? Oh, it starts at 2. Can I hack? Oh, I can't hack it. Can't do anything. Alright. Okay, I am using terribly. Holy crap. Alright, don't trip. Dun 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 dun. What? How are you going so fast? I am flooring it right now. Ah, watch out. Okay, turning is great. Oh yeah, Marcus, put your hands up. Watch out, boy. I'll tell you about that. That dude spun out.
Gotcha.
If I could hack it, that'd be so dope. Oops. Skirt, skirt, skirt. These guys are not messing around. Those two guys in the front. I don't know how I'm supposed to catch up to them. I'm like just holding it down. I can't go any faster. What the heck? How are they going so fast? I'm not even gaining on them. And then it's third lap too. Yeah, go, 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 go. Actually, just cut through here. What am I doing? Going by the rules. What the heck?
Got it.
They got me messed up. Hey, I'm gonna play by the rules. I didn't consider cheating. Oh crap, you're gaining on me. Look at this. He's... Oh, no. You're not gonna win. No. Ah. Yeah. No. No. Ha. Ja. Let's get it.
Yeah, boy.
First place.
I can't believe we won the race. That never happened before.
Well, cause you never had me.
If you get yourself a decent battery, it would help a lot getting off the block.
Yeah, makes sense.
I'll see if I can find you one.
Oh. Yeah. Killed it. I beat Richard. Oh, that was kind of fun. Look at that noise. Beep boom, 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 beep boom. Acquire the new e-cart battery? No, ninja. I'm not trying to do all that. Vermont Street. What's around here? What's this place? Baker Beach? Oh, I've been here before. Oh yeah, I remember this place. Oh, they put like information around here. What's Golden Gate Bridge? The most famous bridge in the world. Let's see. What can I do? Oh, I should go to this party around here. See what that's. Oh, no, no, no. Okay. Oh. Why are they in the same place? Forget it. Oh my god. No, I don't want to start the race. Sausalito. Alright, let's start this party. Start the party. That's a crappy PlayStation game, but anyways. Oh hey, it's T-Bone.
Hey Marcus, you should try Roxanne and Tang War. That's Elvis.
Hey, Satara. Hey, put this up on the screen, Josh. It's from Miranda. You're being followed. A friend of mine is giving this to you at great risk. Watch your backs. There's a target on it.
Target? What?
That's us. Fuck, right now.
Can you check this one out? Someone's spying on us from right outside.
Let's fuckify his shit up!
Hey, be cool, man. Sneak out. I'm gonna go out the front and see if I can spot our tail.
I did not sign up for this. I'm not trying to. I thought we were gonna have like a good time. A nice party. Look who spy on DedSec, huh? Did you spy on DedSec? Oh, I almost hit that cop. I would have been mad. Oh, that's a nice view. Okay. I just love the people who live in that house. Just wake up every day and see San Francisco. Hacker mode.
There's a van.
Objective
Yeah, that's
complete.
so.
Get what you can on him.
Download from the spy. Oh, what the? The FBI? Are you kidding me? Alright, let's get out of there. So, the FBI got in the mix. Oh, that's like the copy reinforcements too. So they on their way. Alright, yo, look. Oh, that was nice. Engagement, calm out, there's... Crap. Jump. Ha. Okay. Just chill out. Chill out. What? They know where I am? They can't know where I am. There we go.
We'll find.
Okay, the FBI do not play. The FBI don't play, oh my god. Just chill out. I didn't even know the restricted area. Why it takes so... Man. You don't play some Smash while I wait.
Suspect lost.
About time. Holy crap. Alright. They don't want me anymore, right? They don't want me anymore? Yeah, I'm
Come
good.
on. I'm right here.
Holy crap. Chill, chill. I'm not trying to start anything. Alright, well, actually, I'm gonna save that one then. Okay, wait. What was that? Okay, I'm tripping. Alright, enough messing around. Okay. Skirt. Right, it isn't. Here we go. I'ma just chill here.
Oh, man. Who are these people? They got a ton of stuff on us. Lots more photos and looks like a map of Josh's daily movements. Other stuff? What the hell? Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
What?
It's FBI. You hacked into the FBI. Listen, I got into their comm channel.
Trying to access our data source. Get all agents out here. Converge on the suspect.
Oh.
Hold up.
Doo-doo-doo.
You need to move along. This area's off limits.
Okay, okay, okay. Go on, go on. Just go in black with me. Doo-doo. She's really just... What's that noise?
Thanks.
Oh, that's the music.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
What's going on?
Some hot shit anti-hacking demon picked up on what we're doing. Hold on a second.
Oh, man.
Oh, crap. Hey,
About time.
okay. Yo,
Thank you very, very much.
We're getting an incredible amount of stuff here.
okay.
We gotta broadcast some of this.
I'm a little
Huh.
busy right now, Wrench.
Totally.
Yo. Okay. Huh. Hold up. Yo. Hey. Alright. Yo. Look. Downloading data. I don't know why. I don't know how I'm gonna say this in... I don't know, say... I was gonna say beta, but then I was gonna say meta at the same time. This beat is kinda sick though. Oh, it's gone. Why is she tripping?
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Abandon the van.
Marcus, we're good. Get the fuck out of there.
Don't trip, I'm out of here. Doo-doo. Okay. Yo. Fit it. Hit, bit, two. Mission complete that. Who was that guy? Who's... I kinda... That's interesting. Are you in a conversation? Because I'm about to... Yeah.
Wrench? What is it?
We're messing with the FBI, man. We gotta totally restrict communication on this.
Okay, but...
Minimal communication, M. Face to face is best. Meet me at the place where... You know where.
Wrench? Wrench! Damn! To the cafe, then.
Alright. Whew. What the...
Marcus, we've been trying to contact Horatio. He's not answering and his phone doesn't show any movement. Can you make sure he's okay? I'll mark his phone on your map.
Sure.
Alright, got my boy Horatio in trouble too. I was wondering where he was. Alright. Whew. That's it.